we're in the fall time of the year. Christmas season's right on us.
Yep.
And we just want to be a big shout out to all the fans at Larry's Country Diner that come by throughout the year. And hopefully 2021 will be easier, less pandemic, and kinder and nicer and more respectful. Yeah. So that's kind of what we put up our flags for, too. And it's been a huge success. And hopefully, people will be nicer and kinder and more respectful. So we got some boots.
Yes. A couple of weeks ago, we brought the zipper boots back on the show again and talked about how comfortable they are. Our partners at Laredo, DanPost. We have these two colors plus another color. Actually, two more at the store or on BootDaddy.com as well. A black cherry color and a light tan color. But this week, and I saw your son earlier, Ian, was here. He had a pair of genuine python snake skins on. And it made me think, and I was glad that I brought this boot because I was looking in pythons, the exotics today have just gotten so expensive. So we've gone back to our companies and tried to get them to do some prints that are real, that look real. And DanPost has really knocked this one out of the park with this beautiful. If you wore this, put this on for a week, I could not tell, and I've been doing this for over 30 years, and I could not tell that it's not a genuine python boot.
Wow.
But it's half the price.
So Ian, you overpaid.
Yeah.
He's got his wear on it, though, that's for sure.
And the python lives.
Yes. So we have several different prints at BootDaddy.com. The snake is one, and then an anteater is another. But they're beautiful DanPost and Laredo boots, both. And you can get them at BootDaddy.com on sale now.
Did you say the anteater?
It's an anteater. Yes.
An anteater print.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah. If you hadn't seen anteater, actually they've been on the endangered species, so you don't see those anymore. But I think it's been since the 80s. This is the last time they were making anteater boots.
And Paul, this too is made out of calf skin now too.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's all leather.
Cowhide.
Yeah, full grain leather, soft.
And the sole on the bottom. It's a great boot, and thanks to Larry's Country Diner fans, it's made it our #1 selling boot in the store.
Wow.
From that, Colin.
Absolutely, and this is kind of like. Gus brings a lot of notes, and I got a note the other day.
Gus has Gus shirts too.
He's got Gus shirts.
I want you to read this guy just like Gus.
He mentions, something like Gus here. A guy named Richard Farmer sent this in to us, and he says he's been a big fan of Lonesome Dove and Old Gus forever.
Yeah,
Old Gus.
Yeah, and he's from Springfield, Missouri, hometown guy, born and raised on the north side, and he remembers when we opened our doors way back when. He says, we're hometown people, and those are the ones that I trust and take stock in. I appreciate all that you do and always enjoy seeing you on Larry's Country Diner.
Period.
I just wish that I lived...
Exclamation.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
I just wish that I lived close enough to ring that bell in the store because I'm sure the barbecue sauce is the best around. On another note, that Nadine is a hoot! Exclamation point. Keep up the good work from an old mountain man retired in Idaho, Richard Farmer.
Wow.
So thank you very much for that.
And one last thing.
Yep. And we got our hoodies. Anytime
Our
you come
hoodies.
in and spend $50 in the store, we got our hoodies up here. And
We got
they
new
are
styles
warm.
every single week.
And we
during the
need to
holiday
really
season.
stress to the audience too that they don't shrink.
Nope.
No, they don't.
So
They're
it's the
very
best
soft.
thing for us because no returns.
Yeah.
But you can wash them any way you want, and they don't shrink, and they're only $10 when you spend $50 at PFI in Springfield, Missouri. On your way to Branson.
That is super.